data frame is already available. Do one thing. First point, we have to restart all cells actually. Restart and run, or restart kernel and run all cells. Please be patient. See. Star indicates to running in the backend. Star over. Then it's supposed to run. Now I hope I need to start the today topic. I will give a small recap. First, starting itself, let me provide kind of some interview question actually. Interview question. This is quite interesting. Focus on this. For sure, you already know how to select multiple columns. How to select what, Sarji? Am I right? You know this topic actually. Then how? Simple calls equals to, you can prepare a list and first column 1, column 2, right? Second one will be, can you tell me, sir, what I need to do? Print of, df of, yeah, that's what we need to do. This is the way we already know actually, right? Sometimes what is a counter question, how to select only numerical columns. Okay, quite interesting question. How to select only numerical column. During interview, if they're asking how to select only numerical column, that numerical column we need to select, first column numeric, third column might be numeric, sixth column numeric. We need to check the data, right? Next, one more counter question. Once after you understand this one, can you tell me, instead of numeric, know what data actually? String columns. I mean to say string in the sense object columns actually. What columns mean? Object columns. Let me cover these two. You will get an idea. So first one, let me explain how to select only numerical columns. How to select only what mean? Numeric columns. Please understand. This is quite interesting. We'll do one thing. As usual, open our, it's okay. Let me load the sales one data set. Let me load what, Sarji? Sales one data set. Everybody please focus on this. Go back and get our data set. Did you remember? So we worked with one data set which is so called as a sales one data set. Sales one. I copied this. Yep. Can you please help me how to load this one actually? Chapter sir. Import pandas as pd, df equals to pd.read underscore csv. The next one, what is the file name? Sales1.csv. Very good. You are very aggressive in terms of practice. Let's create a data frame. Yeah, Daniel data frame is ready. You please help me. Good. Yeah. First point, there is a data set. We created a data frame. A data frame having data. I need numerical columns. I need what mean? Categorical columns. When I say categorical columns, string. When I say string, object. Chapani sir, object. Good. Numerical columns, what are all columns? Would you have any idea? Chapani, first one, order ID. Oh, quite interesting. The next one, nice, Sergey. Nice. No customer ID, sales one. Please wake up actually, right? Yeah. Next one, string. Look at the data set. Customer name. Next one, product. Oh, product actual. Product. Yeah, we are good to go. Alphanumeric means backend it considers object only. Repeating again. Daniel, data set, data frame, data. Now look at read the question. How to select only? I wanted to select only this actually. If you wanted to select only this, talk with me. How to select columns equals to, what is the first column name? Order ID. Second column name? Yeah. Imagine there are 20 columns would have numerical. How many men? 20. It's too difficult, right? Selecting first column, second column, third column actually. It takes little longer time actually. Instead of this, you know what? There is a one separate method. If you call that method, Just you can tell to that method, I need all numerical column, it will pull actual. I need all object related column, it will pull those columns automatically, right? Let me show you how to do actually. How to do this, let me show you. Everybody please look at my screen. Okay, so generally what we know, మీకు already తెలిసిన చెప్పండి, columns equals to, I wanted to select only numerical column. I wanted to select only numerical column. Now what is the first one, sir? Order ID. Yeah, very good. What is the second one? Quantity. Yeah, first one order ID, next one quantity. Then we have a data frame, Daniel. We have what, Sarji? Data frame. I mean to say numerical data frame, number related DF actually. You can just try to assign this here. Yes, calls. Now you can print the data frame and you can print numerical data frame. What data frame? Numerical data frame. I mean to say only numbers actually. Numbers and mixed with alpha numeric. That's still okay. Good, man. We got it. But let me tell you, what is the limitation here? Imagine only 4 columns. Think like a 40 columns we have. How many? If it is 40 columns, checking numerical column, tedious job. It takes little longer time actually. Think like a 400 columns would you have? Yeah, it may have actually 400 columns. Out of 400 columns, you are selecting first one is a numeric, next one is not a numeric, ignore. Third one is not a numeric, ignore. And fourth one is a numeric. We need a magnifier. Manaku both of them kavali. Enduko telusa? Where are all numeric actual? It takes little longer time. Right? Sir, instead of this one, let me tell you, there is a one method. What is that method name? Number underscore df equals to df dot select d types. This method I didn't cover in our document actually. Yeah, intentionally I didn't cover. Why? Because if I covered everything in chapter, what is a project discussion actually? What is a method name? Select. First of all, I have a question. Is it method or function? I already told, right? How can I say this is the method? Because you are calling by using object name having parenthesis. And here you please talk with me. There is a one keyword argument actually. Wow, seriously amazing, sir. Can somebody tell what is the topic name actually? Keyword argument. One more time, sir. What is the beauty? Did I specify it anywhere else? Order ID, next one quantity. Did I specify? No, but still, what exactly happened? Sarji, you will get the result as a numerical data only. You will get the result as what exactly, man? Numerical data only. Numerical data only. See, look at my screen. Wow, Daniel, amazing, Daniel. First data frame. What you specified here actually? Are boss, select what you wanted to select. D types. D types means we already know. Where are all integer or integer 64? Select only those columns actually. What is the result you are getting? Order ID, yes. Next one is what exactly? Quantity. This is beautiful or not? Imagine this method, no matter what. Are you having 4 columns? This method works. 40 columns, this method works. 400 columns, this method works actually. Are you with me? This is kind of some automate. Previously we done manually. Previously we done what, Sarji? Manually you selected first column, second column, third column actually. Okay, let's take this. Important interview question. Yup, there is a method. Method name is a, select underscore d types. What is the method name? Select underscore d types. What is the next one, Sarji? Chapani? Strings or what exactly? Object. Chapani, what I need to do is, here we go. Daniel, please give me a small recap before shorting. Sir, comment right now. Session starting తర్వాత కొంతమంది వస్తున్నారు. Please comment right now. I request you. That's not fair. నేను క్లాస్లోకి వచ్చే ముందే మీరు క్లాస్లో ఉండాలి. ఆఫ్లైన్ ఎక్స్పెషల్. Good. Mukhtar sir, we can do that. We can do that actually. That we can do later. Related data set. And so we have a data set, that's it. And once we have a data set, we need to apply these are all pandas related operation. What is the first one, sir? Importing required libraries. We are importing the required libraries. Next one, loading the data set. And while loading the data set is out of the box actually. Then we need to apply encoding. Otherwise, what error? Unicode error. Number of rows and columns you need to call shape attribute. First 5 rows, head method. Last 5 rows, tail method. Tail method. I wanted to display total number of columns. Columns attribute. Columns. While you're accessing attribute name should be match. Otherwise, good. I wanted to display all columns one by one for loop. I wanted to rename the columns. Rename method. Rename method. And here you need to prepare the dictionary. The dictionary you need to pass. In place equals to true. It means to say that. Hold on. Rename method. It works with in place. It works without in place. Rename method, what exactly happened, it creates a new object. It creates what exactly, man? New object. Hey, I don't want new object. I wanted to apply changes on existing object. Then you can call in place. You can call what, man? In place actually. Yeah, that's what would in. After changing, we are cross verifying. After changing, I wanted to check the data. Head method. First 5 rows, head method. We know these are all. The next one, it's a item. I wanted to check the data type of each column actually. You need to call an attribute. Attribute name is a D types. What is attribute name? D types. Yeah, good. I wanted to know data from information. Method name is a info. What is the method name? Yeah, good. Info method gives lot of information. Info method separate like covered in the chapter. You need to walk through. Checking missing value. Hold on. So that method can I include in data frame. Why? Because important. You using cover just method include చేద్దామా? Important, sir. What is the method name? df dot select underscore d types. One more time. Select underscore d types. Select underscore d types. Include or exclude. Keyword argument is especially important. Where are we? Checking missing values. You can check missing values with respect to the different methods. Is NA, is null, and we have different methods actually. I'm using is null method, and I wanted to know, so column wise count. Then you need to call sum method. What method? Sum method. And I wanted to apply sorting. So especially you need to call a method. Method name is a sort underscore value. I wanted to, make it something like a descending order. So this is what. I wanted to know all missing value, where exactly top missing value here, second position this one, remaining all not required actually. This report is a really good one rather than this actually, rather than what exactly mean here. See, our eyes always look at the first one, but there is no much information here, right? Where is not available, I don't want. Where is available, I want actually. Okay, this report looks good. Now it's the right time I need to handle this one. If you're having missing value, there is a lot of discussion actually. Then finally client, hold on. We are able to find out missing value. We kept hold. The next one, invoice date. What column actually? Invoice date. And good. So by default object data type. By default what data type? Object data type. I just wanted to convert into date time date. What you need to do, you just try to access the column. Try to access what man? Column. Hold on. Data frame. Description. Series. You are accessing single column. If series contains string data, we can call str attribute. Listen carefully. If series contains string data, we can call str attribute. If series contains date time related value, you need to call dt attribute. You need to call. Did you remember? I covered right. Anyway, Daniel, whenever you are calling this one, we'll get the result as a string methods. We'll get result as what man? String methods object will get actually. Hello boss, I wanted to convert all these uppercase values into lowercase. Simple, you need to call lower method. What method? We done this. Left hand side, if you're able to see this kind of syntax, means adding a column. There are two cases when you're adding a column. Case number 1, right? If column name is already, if column name is new column will be added. If column name is already existing, old values will be replaced with blah blah blah. We done this role. The next one, it's a right time we need to handle the missing value. Yeah, based on client discussion we came across, drop the missing value. Till here, this is the cell in our today need to starting point. Exactly matching. Then can I continue? Go. Need more cells. Only team, hold on. Nothing happened, don't worry. Good. Fine, Sarji. So seems to be handling missing value. Good, sir. So this is the way we handle missing value. There is important point here. There is important point. What is that important point, you know? Here onwards, 2 objects. Here onwards, how many objects? 2 objects. When I say 2 data frames, actually. DF, old data frame. Chappan sir? One more time. Old data frame. Next one. One more data frame. What is the data frame? DF underscore new. Simple. Having missing value. Having NANs. Okay. Good terminology. Missing values. Old data frame having missing value. Now chaptara. New data frame. Chaptara. No missing value. There is no missing values actually. Oh, sorry. No missing values. Why? We handle missing values actually. Am I right? So the point. Definitely it is having 5,40,000 plus rows. That rows will be impacted here actually. That rows will be impacted here actually. Am I right? Hold on, ma'am. Are you online or offline? Last. Online. Okay. Fine. So this is 5,40,000 rows, man. 5,40,000 rows actually. 40,000, so plus rows. Then, sir, missing values deleted. Missing values what exactly? Deleted. You should know number of rows. How to know? Ela telusukovali. Very good. Shape attribute, right? But do one thing. You handle missing values, right? Cross verify. Either missing values deleted or not actually. How to cross verify? Oh, info method you are going for. That's okay. I expected exactly. Let us cross verify df dot is NA. Now some actually. Yeah, missing value is not dropped, man. What happened? Can somebody tell? Missing value is not dropped. What happened? Emaindi. Take some time. Come again. No, you didn't observe. You in the sense everybody. You correctly observe cheyaledu. We dropped missing values, right? But it didn't drop. Why? Please catch that point actually. I should not use this DF actually. What I need to use actually, sir? New div. First of all, I didn't run that. But anyway, let me run actually. Get the point? Let us apply this. Yes, dropped. Anyway, after you didn't drop it also, you can say the same thing. But Daniel, we should not run this. What I need to run actually? DF underscore new. Please focus on this. See, all missing values dropped. Are you with me? Say confirmation. Check missing values dropping or not. Checking. Missing values dropped or not. Dropped or what, Saji? Not. Yeah, you are checking. All good, man. Previously, one student asked a question. What is that question, Hey, Daniel, can I call sort underscore value? These are all things actually. So, can I call sort underscore values? And next one is what exactly, man? Ascending equals to, ascending equals to false. Can I call this actually? The moment when you